welcome back to my channel. My name is Rose. If you're new here, welcome. So today I am going to review the TPH line. It's called TPH and I got it at Target. Each of the bottles cost me $9, so it came to about $30-ish with tax. So it comes with a shampoo, a conditioner, and a leave-in conditioner. So the conditioner is in a spray bottle, and the texture is kind of like a little bit thick. It's not too thick, but like you do have to shake it. That's what I realized, so it can like spray out. And the shampoo is really smooth, and it has like a little bit of glitter in it. And the smell is amazing. 10 out of 10 for the smell. Love the smell. The conditioner is thick, but not really, but kinda, and it also smells amazing. So the first wash did not really have a lot of like soapy lather to it, because my first wash are always like that. That's just how my hair is, because I do put a lot of oils in my hair. So the first wash removes all the oil and stuff. But yeah, that's the first wash. And the second wash was really, it had a lot of lather. Yeah, it was really good. It felt kind of moisturizing, but one thing I did realize off of this shampoo though, if you blow dry it, your hair will feel extremely dry. I think when you use those three products, you might need to add oil to it. I don't know if it was just my hair, but you might need to add oil after you add in the leave-in conditioner, or your hair is gonna come out really dry after you blow dry. Or the other option is to just air dry your hair. I realized when I air dried my hair, it did not do that, but when I blow dried it right after I washed, it was really dry. So this is how my hair looks after the wash and both washes. So So this is how my hair looks with the conditioner. Usually when I condition my hair, it looks a little more shiny and a little more curly than how it looks right now. But I'm not sure what's with the moisture in this line, but it wasn't really giving moisture for me personally, especially after I blow dried my hair and stuff like that, because I was applying a wig. It didn't give me that much moisture, but it did detangle really good. So I don't know if it's just my hair or if it's just me, but that did not work for me. If you can hear that, it's the rain, but the voiceover still gotta keep going. So yeah, this was my hair after the wash. It was curly, it was clean. It did clean my hair though, I ain't gonna lie, and it made my hair smell really good. But my problem is still that moisture. It wasn't there. Like, I'm just like, where is the moisture? Where it at? That was my main problem with this shampoo line and stuff like that. So yeah, my hair was pretty nice, pretty clean, and I really liked it. So this is just me. I'm about to apply the leave-in conditioner right now. It did detangle my hair real nice. Like, it was really nice. I do plan on reusing that leave-in conditioner again and again and again. Yeah, I really like that. But I did realize I had to apply like a good amount. I had to spray a lot. My hand was hurting. But yeah, so this is me applying the leave-in conditioner, and I'm gonna show you in the next clip how I detangled my hair and how easy it was to detangle my hair. So yeah. this is it, you guys. This is how my hair looked after using the TPH line. Overall, it was really good. It just was missing moisture for me, but everything else was great. I did went ahead and blow dried my hair and applied a wig. That should be the next video that hopefully I upload. But overall, it was really great. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.